In the last section, we saw that the npm install command failed to run because the package.json file was not found, and we spoke about why that was. In this section, we're going to figure out how we can make sure that the package.json file is available before npm install is executed inside of the container. To do so, we're going to add one little instruction to our Docker file. This is going to be an instruction that we've not used before. It's the copy instruction. And as you might guess, the copy instruction is used to move files and folders from our local file system on your machine to the file system inside of that temporary container that is created during the build process. The overall syntax for this is copy, then a path to the folder on your local file system, and then the path that you want to copy that stuff to inside the container. Right now, I'm showing these commands with a /, which means the current working directory. Now, one little technicality here, the path from our folder, the first argument right here, is relative to the build context. And you'll recall that I had said that the build context is the dot right here when we execute docker build at the terminal. So build right here means simple web directory, or the current working directory. So we have set the current build context to be simple web. So then inside the copy command right here, when I say /, that means the build context, which is simple web. I know that's a little bit confusing. It's essentially kind of like two layers of indirection. Again, we're going to see a better example of why we would alter this build context stuff in the future when we start working on some more complicated